Hi students, your Pushpa madam is back. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I will going to discuss about the chromatography. That means what is chromatography, principle and its application. The types of chromatography, the mechanism, how it works, that and all not included in your syllabus. Okay, here we need to concentrate on definition, principle and application. So chromatography, if you take the Greek meaning, that is Greek, chroma is a Greek word. If you take the meaning, it means color, and graphian means writing. Graphian means writing. So the Russian botanist Twest, T-S-W-E-T, Twest is a Russian botanist. He is considered as the father of chromatography. Then what is chromatography? Chromatography is a physical process where the components means solutes, of a sample mixture are separated as a result of their differential distribution between the stationary phase and the mobile phase we considered as the chromatography. Once again I will repeat it. Chromatography is a physical process where the components, solutes of a sample mixture are separated as a result of their differential distribution between the stationary phase and the mobile phase we considered as the chromatography. What is the principle involved in this chromatography? Chromatography usually based on the principle of partition of solute between the two phases, that is usually it consists of the mobile phase and the stationary phase. So what is the mobile phase? The mobile phase usually refers to the mixture of substances to be separated, dissolved in a liquid or a gas. And the stationary phase is a porous solid matrix through which the sample contained in the mobile phase will percolate. This is the principle. You should not alter the principle, girls. Okay, chromatography is usually based on the partition of a solute between the two phases. It usually consists of a mobile phase and a stationary phase. The mobile phase usually refers to the mixture of substances to be separated, dissolved in a liquid or a gas. The stationary phase is a porous solid matrix through which the sample contained in the mobile phase will percolate. This is the principle involved. That means in chromatography, two phases are important, that is a mobile phase and a stationary phase. Okay, the stationary phase consists of the solute, the mobile phase consists of the solvent. Through the solvent, the solute particles will percolate, will move. That is the principle actually. And come to the applications of chromatography. So, chromatography has number of applications. Usually this technique is used in pharmaceutical industry, forensic sciences and also clinically. In pharmaceutical industries, that is, we use this technique for tablet dissolution of pharmaceutical dosages. This chromatography come into existence, or it play a very important role. Then shelf life determination of pharmaceutical products, identification of counterfeit drug products, pharmaceutical quality control. These are the main applications of chromatography. Okay, then come to the forensic science. On-site identification and quantification of the drug efficacy. On-site identification as well as the quantification of the drug efficacy. Identification of the anabolic steroids present in the serum, urine, sweat and hair of man. Forensic determination of the textile dyes, textile DYES, textile dyes. Simultaneous quantification of psychotherapeutic drugs in the human plasma. Okay, quantification of psychotherapeutic drugs which are present in our human plasma. Then clinically, analysis of antibodies, detection of endogenous neuropeptide in the extracellular fluids of the brain, food and flavor industry, that means ensuring the soft drink and quality, analysis of vicinal diketone in the beer, sugar analysis in the fruit juices, analysis of agricultural crops. These are the main applications of chromatography. Actually, the application of chromatography also depends on the types of chromatography. What type of chromatography that we are using in a particular field, what is the nature of the product, okay, that and all it refers to be. But here general applications here I discussed, okay, and here you may get 3 mark or 5 mark question on chromatography. What is chromatography? Principle and application. You need to include 5 marks. But under practical classes, you will going to perform the paper chromatography experiment in this year. That is separation of amino acids. We will going to give 2 or 3 amino acid mixtures. From the mixtures, you need to separate by using paper chromatography. Okay, there are different types of chromatography. Column chromatography is there, liquid chromatography is there, but here general principle of chromatography discussed and their application. Okay.